Hello and welcome back to Sales Funnels Made Easy. Today I'm going to show you how to quickly and easily integrate ClickFunnels with WordPress. Be sure to like, subscribe, ring the bell if this video or any other video on this channel helps you out in any way. So let's go ahead and get started. First thing I want to do is I want to show you the sales funnel that we've been working on. This is the main page. There are actually 3 different ways that you can embed your ClickFunnels funnels into WordPress. I'm going to go from easiest to hardest, so let's go ahead and get right into it. The easiest way would be to simply just add the ClickFunnels plugin. Now, I do not recommend doing this because it has not been updated in 5 years. There have been a lot of changes with both ClickFunnels and with WordPress. It's also a security issue, so I would not do this at all. So that's the easy way. It still works. I had it on my account until probably a month ago, but I do not recommend doing this. The second way, and probably the best way that I'm going to recommend, is simply to use an embed code. And basically what that is we are going to go over to our funnel. We're going to go over to publishing. And then where it says embed code, we're going to click on this, copy all of this, copy this, and then we're going to go back over to our web page here. So my web page is how to add ClickFunnels to WordPress. I just want to get rid of this, remove that. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to type in custom HTML. So custom, now I am using Gutenberg, so it might look a little bit different if you're using an older version. If you're using a classic version, it should look a little bit different. So we've pasted that in and it says it's an iframe. If I go over to preview, it should work. So I'm going to click on preview, and this is going to give us an idea of what our WordPress website looks like. All right, so there you go. It is as simple as this. Now there is an ad down here. You may not see that ad, but if we scroll down, it looks just like this. Now what I would recommend that you do is probably have a white background and make it look a little bit better. But as you can see, this is how you do it. Now there is one other way, and this is a little bit more difficult. If we go back over here, you can actually download your sales funnel, download it as an HTML. And when you download it as an HTML, what you would need to do is you would need to upload it into your web hosting back office. And I can show you how to do that, but again, it's going to be a little bit more complicated. It's a little bit more technical in nature. So we're going to go over to, let's see if we can find it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go back to my cPanel. And if I wanted to embed this, I would need to find my file manager. So I'd click on file manager. And then over here on the left-hand side, you're going to have your actual website. And what you would need to do is you would need to find the public HTML folder, and you would need to put it in the appropriate spot. And again, like I said, this is a little bit more technical, a little bit more difficult. I would not recommend doing this on your own unless there's an actual reason. If you come back over to our preview here, if I can find it, you can see this works just fine. And even if I entered in my email address, if I scroll down here, if I enter in my email address, it works. So this is going to be the best way to do it, in my opinion. But there are a number of ways to get up and running. So again, you can use this plugin. I don't recommend it. Your best bet is going to be to click on this embed code, copy this, and import it as HTML. As you can see here, we're just going to click this one more time to show you. I'm going to look for custom HTML. Custom HTML. Paste it in. I'm using Command V, and then you're just going to add the rest of your content if you have more, and then click publish. Now you can also do this too if you have a widget that you want to add. So if we go back over here, I'm going to click on the WordPress logo. Yes, I want to leave. I'm going to go to appearance, go down to widgets, and then what I'd want to do is, as you can see, I have a custom HTML here. I can add in another custom HTML. I'm just going to drag this over to show you. This is going to show up on the right bar, and I'm going to paste this in once again. And when I click save, I'm going to go to a recent post that I made. So let's see here. I'm going to just click on that one. All of these ads, and then if you scroll down here, this is where our ClickFunnels landing page is. Now it's obviously going to look a little bit different depending on the WordPress theme that you're using, but this is how you do it. Again, be sure to like, subscribe, ring the bell if this video or any other video on this channel helps you out. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you tomorrow.